If you got a low resolution photo that you wish looks clear and professional, here's how to upscale your image quality in Photoshop without losing the details. So you can use the generative upscale as well, which is an AI upscaling. But here's how to upscale an image. You can quickly turn it by opening first or download the latest version of Photoshop to access the most current generative AI features. Then you want to open an image. Click Import Image in the contextual taskbar. You want to go to the options bar and click the image generative upscale. Select a model to use from available options like Firefly Upscaler and Tool Plus Bloom and so on. Then you want to have a new window open to set the desired output scale to 2 times or 4 times and adjust the parameters where available. Then simply just click the upscale button and a separate upscaled image will be generated in a new document with an updated name. Now here's how you can basically upscale the photo resolution to give old photos to new life. You can open your image in Photoshop and press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Go to Filter, Neural Filters, and select Photo Restoration. Just use the additional features like Colorize for coloring black and white images and click OK when done. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.